Nicki Minaj cheekily says she'll replace Meghan Markle at King's Coronation. Nicki Minaj has left fans cracking up after she joked that she will be filling Meghan Markle's spot next to Prince Harry at the upcoming coronation for King Charles. Recently, the prince announced that he will be attending the coronation himself whilst his wife stays at home with their children. Nicki has since joked that she will be filling in for the Duchess and adopted her hilarious English accent. She told her Twitter followers, "Thank you. Proper excited, really. Yes, it appears there was one seat open right next to Harry. I rang his telly and said, 'You be Harry Potter and I'll be Hermione.' We both laughed. Met him on the jet and now here we are." One of Nicki's fans then asked her to say the message in a voice note with an English accent. She said, "Rather excited, really. Well, I got the news earlier this morning." Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.